Are you tired of taking cold showers because your water heater's pilot flame refuses to stay lit, no matter how many times you try? The culprit is likely a failing pilot assembly kit, which can wear out due to carbon buildup, debris, or a weak thermocouple exposed to long-term heat and moisture. Welcome to PartsHnC. Today, we are going to walk you through replacing this part in a standard storage tank natural gas water heater. Before you touch anything, always turn off the gas supply and disconnect the power completely for your own safety. Start by removing the access panel at the bottom of the tank to expose the burner area. Next, carefully disconnect the old pilot tube and thermocouple connections, taking your time to avoid bending or damaging the critical fittings. Once disconnected, gently slide out the faulty pilot assembly from its mounting bracket. Take your new assembly, position it in the same location, and ensure the pilot burner, gas tube, and thermocouple are properly aligned right near the main burner. Tighten all the connections securely without over-tightening them, and then reinstall your access panel. With everything back in place, restore the gas supply and follow your instructions to relight the pilot. You are looking for a steady, consistent blue flame that doesn't flicker or shut off. Make sure to observe the entire first heating cycle to verify everything is running safely. Head over to PartsHnC.com to shop the HVAC replacement parts you need for the project. If you found this step-by-step breakdown helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the PartsHnC channel for more quick appliance repair guides, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. You can also follow us on our social media channels to stay updated with the latest HVAC trends, maintenance tips, and industry insights. Thanks for watching.